Hello, I'm Keith Homeland with Extron Electronics, and here at Zoomtopia, we're showing off our brand new control panel, which is our ZRTP Pro 1025. This is running Android native, so it's a Zoom native touch panel. It's part of our new line, which we have a 7 and 10-inch panel. This panel also will do the room control. So this is has been part of all Android-based touch panels. As soon as they connect to an Extron controller, you then have access to room environmental controls, including display, Extron switchers, or anybody's switcher, audio DSP. You could add these controls as part of the MSI file. We are announcing this today. It's live on Extron.com. You can find out more about there or call Extron at any time and talk to any associate who will be familiar with this product and bring you up to speed on anything you need to know about it. And thank you for joining us here at the Extron booth.